Standing at the top of the clock tower, or the bell tower in Split. Probably the most beautiful bell tower I've ever seen. Showing you these awesome columns with arches. And then I'll pan down to look over. Here's Old Town Split within the old city walls. You can see the mountains in the background. And I'll walk over here and we'll see the port. Here's the port of Old Split. See the bus station and the train station over there. Ships coming and going. And down here the waterfront in the old town. That's where we had dinner last night. We're looking at it. And I'll take one more look around the bell tower. And let me look one last time in the other direction, opposite of Old Town.